Welcome to Marina'S kitchen. Today I've got a visitor here, and this is Isabella, my great-granddaughter, and she's going to help me. I'm going to teach her how to make some homemade macaronis. The story is that my mother taught me how to make macaronis, I taught my children, and then I taught my granddaughter Carla. She was 14 when I taught Carla. And now I'm going to teach my great-granddaughter. How old are you, Isabella?
15.
15. And I'm going to teach her how to make these homemade macaronis, which she has done a few. We've started to do them. Now, what we've done here, Isabella, I'm going to teach you how to do them. Actually, Isabella's been with me on YouTube 4 times. Isabella, what did we do the first time?
We made the pastry in 2013, then we made the cupcakes in 2016, the sponge kisses in 2017, and the zucchini and ricotta cannelloni in 2018, and now we're making...
Now we're going to make homemade macaronis. Okay, now what we've done here, I've already gone ahead and mixed it up, so Isabella is mixing it all up and getting it ready. So what we've done here was we put 200 grams of fine semolina and we put in 200 grams of plain flour, which we mixed it up with 200 mils of just lukewarm water. And we've got this beautiful soft dough. It's lovely, we don't want it too dry, we don't want it too soft, but just lovely and pliable that we can make the macaroni. So we'll go ahead and show you how to make it. So I'll put this away over here. So now, Isabella, you're going to show us how we're going to cut them up in little pieces, okay? We've got to cut up little pieces, about half inch little pieces, and then we'll put them through the wire and make a hole in the middle with the wire. There you go. We don't want them too big and we don't want them too small. I'll have 2. And look, she's been doing this all by herself. Now that is so wonderful for her to start learning to do these homemade macaronis. So what you do now, we'll put 2 pieces on a wire, the wire like that, put it like that and roll it and put a pressure on it so that you can sort of stretch that dough out a little bit with that lovely pressure and until they're about that long, and finally twist it and they'll come out. If you get this pastry really good, they come out really perfect. Look at Isabella, look. And look, the kids are home now on holidays, and this is why I got Bella to come over today, because she's on holidays. So look, if one of the children want to make these at home, they are so easy to make. Look, with 400 mils of flour, we can make enough macaronis for 4 or 5 people. So look, I've showed you how to serve them. You can serve them with a lovely bolognese sauce, a mint sauce, or you can put them with just a plain tomato and garlic and basil sauce, or even pesto. You can boil these up and put a pesto sauce through it. They're beautiful. They're so easy and so lovely to make. Give it a try. And look, we have done that dough before. It is good to even rest the dough if you want to rest it about half an hour before, maybe. But look, we get this nice, soft, pliable dough. It's just beautiful. Not sticky and it's not dry, because we can't have them too dry and we don't want them too soft. So that is just beautiful. And that fine semolina gives it a more finer texture to the flour. And look, we are just making them so easy. Look at that. Isabella has never made them before, and look, she's taken it to it like anything. And she can go home and make a lovely batch for her family. And they just boil these in some salt, a little bit of salt and water. Look, you're getting better than what I am. I'm going to try to beat you, right? Oh, lovely, beautiful. Oh, you're great. You're doing wonderful, darling. Oh my God, I am so proud of my great-granddaughter Isabella. I've taught Carla done them when she was 14, my granddaughter. And Carla's been doing them ever since. And Carla's 24 now, and she's been doing them all the time for her friends. And so now Isabella's going to go home and you're going to make these for your family, okay? So look, get the kids to do it, give it a go, and look, it's so simple. Look, what I do now what we do is, I'll show you what we do. We've already made it. What we do is put them in a tray in the deep freeze, and we freeze them. They are frozen. All you can do is put them in a packet, and then you can take them out when you want them. Take them out about half an hour before you put your water on with a bit of salt through it. Take them out and defrost them a little bit before you put them in. And look what we've done a whole lot of batch before. I put them in packets like this, and that is there with the 400 gram of flour, and you can freeze them and use them up anytime you want them. So look, get the kids to try to do them. I've taught my great-granddaughter Isabella, and she has been doing them wonderful. I am so proud of you, darling. You've done a wonderful job. Keep on doing them. We're going to finish all that dough. We're just going to cut it up in, she's going to cut it up in half-inch little pieces. There you go, like that. Lovely. Oh, you're doing fine. Beautiful. I'll put these away. I hope you'll enjoy them and try to make them and get the kids to do them maybe. That's lovely. Look, we've done so much today. We've done a whole lot of that. Another tray, I can freeze it. Okay? Thank you for watching. I hope you'll enjoy and get the kids to try to make these lovely macaronis. Say goodbye, Isabella.
Bye.
Lovely to have, lovely, darling. Bye.